Today we carry out container final assembly. First, install the base frame. Position the base frame and calibrate all dimensions. Lay the foundation for the container. Then grind the base frame. Prepare for subsequent spot welding. Hoist the end panels and align with the base frame reference line. Recheck verticality and side clearances. Fix the end panels once position is confirmed. Verify parallelism and diagonal dimensions of front and rear end panels one by one. Spot fix and lock all joints. The longitudinal frame of the container takes shape. Lift side panels for fitting. Fully align contact surfaces with end panels and base frame. Clamp and position with pre-welding tooling. Tightly control assembly gap. Minimize welding thermal deformation and guarantee dimensional accuracy of the unit. Hoist connecting components. Link front and rear sections. Custom fabricate various shapes per client requirements. Special inspection performed by QC personnel. Weld frame diagonal braces to strengthen overall structure. Meet standards for earthquake resistance, wind resistance, and stacking load bearing. Hoist and fit the roof panel with four-side alignment. The unit is now sheltered from wind and rain. Spot weld and secure top seams. Ensure tight fit between roof and surrounding walls. Our roof panels adopt automatic welding for even welds and superior sealing performance. Install casters granting mobility to this container. From steel plates to finished container, every step precise, every weld solid.